Hello dear students of Standard 7th, welcome to English class. Today you are going to learn new poem of your English textbook. The title of the poem is The Quiet Life. Means the life is full of happiness and the person who lives the life in solitude, alone or lonely life. The poem has been written by one of the greatest English poet named Alexander Pope. Now you can see the image of Alexander Pope on your mobile screen. He has written this poem, The Quiet Life, and he had written this poem at the age of 12. Now let's move to the poem. First of all, I will read stanzas one by one, then afterward I will explain. So listen it carefully. Stanza 1. Happy the man whose wish and care a few paternal acres bound, content to breathe his native air in his own ground. Here the poet represents an idea of the man who lives his life in solitude alone and he wants to become a happy man. Explanation of first stanza. The person who has desire, wish means desire, and care means responsibility. The person who has desire and responsibility to take care of few acres of land passed down by his father. Paternal means passed down by his or her father. So person who has desire and wish, responsibility to take care of a few acres of land that he is having, that is passed down by his father to the person who lives in his native land. He wants to live in his native land and can breathe fresh air with satisfaction, and that man is considered as a happy man. The person who lives in his own native land rather in foreign country and has only few acres of land and desire to live lonely and solitude life, so that person is considered as a happy man. Now we go for stanza 2. Whose herds meet group of cows and buffaloes, the mammals, whose herds with milk, whose fields with bread, whose flocks supply him with attire means clothing, whose trees in summer yield means provide him shade, in winter fire. So what does it mean? The person who gets milk from his herds, what he is possessing. He gets food from his field, from his farms. He gets clothing from his sheep, means wool of the sheep. He gets shade from his trees in summer season and gets warmth from the wood of his trees in the winter season. That person is considered a happy man. Means the person who is having own herds, own land, own flocks, own attire, own shade. Means the person who is having trees in his farm and giving him shade and the wood to burn in fire, and that provide him warmth. So this kind of person who lives in life happily. Now we go for stanza 3rd. First I am going to read, listen it. Blessed who can unconcernedly means worry, without any worry. Concern means worry and unconcerned means without any worry. Find hours, days and years slide soft away. In health of body, peace of mind, quiet by day. Q-U-I-E-T, the pronunciation of this word is quiet, not quite, quiet. Now we go for explanation, this summary and explanation. The person is considered as a happy man who gets blessing. Blessed means blessing from God, and whose hours, days and years pass smoothly without any worry, who has healthy body and peaceful mind and without any discontent or dissatisfaction. This kind of person is called a happy man. Now we go for next stanza 4th. First I will read. Sound sleep. Sound means not making noise. Sound means over here deep sleep. Sound sleep by night and study at ease. Ease here means relaxation. Together mix sweet recreation means pastime. Passing time in enjoyment is called recreation. And innocence which most does please with meditation. Now what does it mean? A person who sleeps deeply or soundly, who studies with enjoyment and passes this time in happiness, who is innocent like child. The person who feels or who is really innocent like child and thinking deeply with satisfaction. This is a happy man in the eyes of Alexander Pope, the person who lives his life in native air, his own ships, own attire, and can breathe fresh air with full of peace and healthy body. This kind of person is called as a happy man in the eye of the poet. Now we go for the next stanza, last stanza, stanza number 5th. Thus let me live, unseen, unknown, the unlamented let me die. Unlamented means without any kind of grievance or sorry or complaint. Still from the world and not a stone tell where I lie. What does it mean? Summary of the same stanza. The person who wants to live his life without noticing by anybody or not to become famous, and who wants to be unrecognized by anybody, who also wants that nobody cries after his death and not a simple stone is to be used to show where he lies. He doesn't want to identify among the people. He wants to live his life in solitude, alone, lonely and peaceful life. By this way, man wants to live his life in solitude, means alone, lonely life, with happiness without name and fame. So the main or central theme of the poem, The Quiet Life, is like that. The Quiet Life by Alexander Pope describes a man truly content with his place in the world. He describes how this man is content to breathe his native air, suggesting that he has succeeded in fulfilling all of his aspirations, his wishes. The poet goes on to state to suggest that he is supplied with his needs through herds with milk, flocks with attire, trees in summer, yield or yielding shade. This quote establishes that the man's needs are met through his career, presumed to be farming. The last stanza of the poem includes a request that is subsequently explained through his own intentions. What is the intention? Thus let me live unseen, unknown, still from the world, and not a stone. This quote indicates or suggests that he wishes to leave as little of an impact on the world at large as he possibly can. He is concerned, worried only with living out his aspirations, means wishes, and in return for this isolation, means to live his lonely life in happiness, he has no intention to negatively affect the world around him.